My name is Bruno Dufour. I am a former dean of a large business school in France and also an auditor for accreditation processes. Let's talk about knowledge creation. My feeling after all my experience in business and in education is that knowledge is a combination of two things: observations and concepts, axioms. To grow knowledge, it has to be in a nutritive environment. And mostly it's made by discussions with peers, which is also the case of your dissertation and your doctoral program. Implementing knowledge should be in some positive environment, otherwise it cannot develop. What is most important is the use of knowledge you intend to do. What for whom? It's usually useful for many in case of education, and let's take the example of executive education. This chart is quite interesting in terms of what is education. Education is made of different things. Traditional training is made of knowledge which has been quite stabilized during some period. And then what happens now is that following this arrow, you see that knowledge is used for action. So instead of going just through teaching, you go to learning. You reverse the process, and then you go to all kinds of processes of learning. That can be learning expedition, action learning, problem-based learning, and also in the case of executive education for large corporations, it's the use in implementation, development, and performance development. So you see this big trend. The use of knowledge, the intention of knowledge is not for knowledge use only, for knowledge purpose. It's mostly for action, and which is very important in the field of management education. And as many of you are going to become professors, one thing I know after all this experience is that the best way to learn is to teach. Good luck.